Now let's see another command, NSLOOKUP. Okay, that is name server lookup. We use it to find out the information about domain name system of our target, right? Now if I type NSLOOKUP and hit enter, it's showing the default server, okay, that is delcns.ticona.in. So Ticona is my internet service provider, okay, and this is the default IP address. Okay, now if you remember, we have got this same IP address on our previous experiment, that is when we are tracing route. Okay, see this fourth number IP address, this is same as this one. Okay, so this is the name server for my computer. Okay, now let's try this on our target, that is facebook.com. Okay, now let's try this on one another website. See, this is the domain name and it is protected by Cloudflare. Okay, so we are getting the DNS information here, right? Now let's try to find out CNAME, that is canonical name. Now you might be thinking, what is CNAME? See, suppose there are two domain names, facebook.com and www.facebook.com, pointing towards the same application. So instead of maintaining two different records for DNS, what we can do is we can set a record for facebook.com which is pointing towards the server IP address. Okay, and we will set CNAME record for www.facebook.com pointing towards facebook.com. Okay, so if user run any of these, it will redirect it to the same website. Okay, so this is what a CNAME is. Now let's see how to do this in practical. So set type to CNAME and let's type our target. Okay, so canonical name for Facebook is *mini and this, right? And this is the other information, that is the default server of my internet service provider. So NSLOOKUP help us to determine information about domain name system. Okay.